Welcome friends, let's find the antiderivative of tangent inverse of x using integration by parts. I'm going to go by ILATE. So ILATE, remember, tells you which to set as u. So I is for inverse trig, and we have that. So I'm going to say u is equal here to tangent inverse of x. Then you differentiate both sides, and when you do that, you're going to have that du is equal to 1 over 1 plus x squared, and then dx this way. That also then tells you the following is true, that dv has to be equal here to dx. And then what you do is you anti-differentiate both sides like this, in other words, and then also on that side. So when you carry that out, it's going to tell you that v is equal to x. And then you apply the formula. So let me just copy this straight down. And then you just set this equal to u times v. So it would be x times the tangent inverse of x. And then minus the integral here of v du. So that will look like x and then times 1 over 1 plus x squared and then dx this way. X tangent inverse of x minus and then the antiderivative here of this quantity, x over 1 plus x squared and then dx. To anti-differentiate x over 1 plus x squared, you can set u equal to 1 plus x squared and then you differentiate. So du is 2x dx. And then you divide by 2. So du divided by 2 here is equal to x dx, which you already have. Up here, you see we have this x in red and the dx is also right here already. So now down below I'm going to have the following: x tangent inverse of x minus, and then the antiderivative, x dx can be replaced as you see there with du over 2. So du over 2. That other part, 1 plus x squared, that becomes 1 over u. Like this, 1 over u. Continue down below, so it's going to be x tangent inverse of x. Pull that 1/2 outside with the minus here, and it's going to be give you the antiderivative there of just du, in other words, over u. Next you're going to have here x times tangent inverse of x and then minus 1/2, and it's going to be here ln of the absolute value of u for now plus the c at the end, x and then tangent inverse of x minus and then the 1/2 and then ln. And because u is 1 plus x squared, 1 plus x squared is always positive. Something squared plus 1 is always positive. You don't need the bars anymore. You just replace u back with 1 plus x squared and then you add this c. And that's the answer. Please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in another video.